Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Find the volume revolved about y equal to 2s squared and y equal to number 0, s equals to number 0, s equals to number 5 about y-axis. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to write the function in here. Y equals to 2s squared. The graph should be like this. S equal to number 0. That is about this line in here. S equals to number 5. That is about this one in here. Y equal to number 0. That is about this one in here. And the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. And we know that this area, they will revolve about y-axis in here. So in this situation, we can use about shell method. So we can apply the formula in here. That's about V equals to 2B. And we have the integration from 0 to number 5 in here. And we have S. Next, we have the function f of s, and we have the function in here. That's about 2s squared. Next, we need to calculate about this one. Number 2 and number 2, we have 4. And we have the integration from 0 to number 5. S and s squared, we have s to the power of 3 ds. Next, the integration of this one, we have s to the power of number 3 plus 1 over number 3 plus 1. And I will put the bounds in here from 0 to number 5. And now we have the final answer. So that's about 5 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 0 to the power of 4 over 4. So we calculate about this one. And we have 625B. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.